Hurricane season is fast approaching and we want to make sure that you guys are staying prepared. That's why we are here at Wingate today. I have Kana, who is the Human Resource Manager. Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you for coming.
I know a lot of people get nervous around hurricane season, but you guys are here to help to make sure that they are ready to go and are also safe in their home. So let's start back. I know there has been a lot of power outages, not just here, but of course around the world. And it's kind of a wake-up call for those Charlestonians. So can you kind of talk about that?
So our Charleston residents have realized the power grid vulnerability here, and it's causing them to be more proactive than reactive. At WingatePower, we've seen an increase in inquiries from both homeowners and businesses.
And we want to make sure they're staying safe. So to start that preparedness, what can people do right now to make sure that their generators are ready to go?
Generator owners can ensure that their generators are working by having yearly maintenance. That includes having your oil changes, your filter changes, and your battery testing, and many other things.
And so going into the process of installing one of these generators, what does that look like with Wingate?
So with the generator process, you first have to request an in-home consultation where we have Billy Wingate. He will come out and do your estimate. From there, we will have to go through a permitting process, and through that process, we find out what's needed, what can happen and what cannot happen, where the generator can be placed, if we need a stand or if it can be on a gen pad. And then from there, we start the process of installation.
And then I want to go to talking about other services beyond generators, because we know you guys have a lot right behind us, you can see. Right. Beyond that, what other services do you guys offer?
So with the increase of electrical vehicles, we are now offering the electrical vehicle charger, where we are fully installing them and providing maintenance to them.
So with the dedication of your team, you guys have so many great people here making sure that everyone is prepared during hurricane season, and you guys are expanding your team just a little bit, but why is it so important that the customer has that connection with you guys?
We would like for everybody to have a great experience, so we thrive on customer obsession. So we're looking for a dedicated team that will help us deliver that and also deliver quality work.
That's amazing. Okay, for those who want to get prepared for hurricane season, where can they find information with you guys?
They can head over to wingate.com, download a free guide of 5 things every generator should have. They can also request an in-home consultation for more detailed and expert advice. And also you can reach out to us via phone at 843-937-3693.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for having me out here today and giving me all this great information. And of course, we'll have all of that on your screen right now to go and get prepared for hurricane season.